Okay, let's dive into one of the biggest choices for any apparel brand, fleece or French terry.
And you really don't want to get this wrong. The stakes are pretty high for your product line.
So let's get right to it. What's the core difference? It really all starts with the construction.
Okay, so both fabrics start out as a knit with a smooth face, but inside, that's a different story.
It's kind of wild, right? Just one small change and you end up with two totally different fabrics.
See those loops? They're the key. They let air move, which makes the fabric super breathable.
But with fleece, those loops are brushed out. That traps air, giving you that classic cozy warmth.
All right, so how do they stack up against each other? Let's get into the performance showdown. This chart really says it all. Fleece is definitely warmer, but French terry wins on almost everything else.
So for your brand, it comes down to the season. French terry is pretty much year-round. Fleece is for the cold.
So, is fleece hoodie enough for your tech pack? No way. You've got to be way more specific.
For French terry, you need to lock in composition, weight, and treatments. It's all about consistency.
And fleece is even trickier. You're specifying things like nap direction just to get it assembled right.
And what about your designs? French terry is amazing for crisp prints. Fleece really makes embroidery pop.
Now let's talk cost. A polyblend fleece is usually going to be cheaper than an all-cotton French terry.
How much cheaper? Well, going from 100% cotton to a blend can cut your fabric costs by 10–20%. Want the best price? Get multiple quotes, ask about stock fabric, and always get a physical swatch.
Okay, so after all that tech talk, the winning move isn't really technical. It's actually commercial. You just have to ask who is your customer and what season are you actually selling for.
Simple, right? Customer in a warm spot? Go with French terry. A colder market? Definitely fleece.
So what's it going to be? Is your hoodie just for a season, or are you trying to build a legacy?